welcome to my channel. This is This channel. Today we are making keto pancakes, right? So this is what we're gonna be using. It has almond, eggs, Tigernut, coconut, and buttermilk. No other sugar, and grain-free. 9 grams protein, 5 grams net carb. So that's what it has. We're gonna be using virgin coconut oil and water measured out, and we also measured it out. And you're gonna need your bowl, and we're gonna mix. Alright guys, so here I'm just sifting the flour so I could have a smooth batter. It's always good to sift your flour. It's a very good practice to add to the way you make your pastries and all that. So almond flour is kind of dense, okay? So I'm adding a little bit of honey. You could add brown sugar if you want, but there's no brown sugar in keto. And then I'm adding a little bit of water, and I'm just gonna use the hand mix to mix it together so everything can come to combine. So while you're doing this, you keep adding water. You know how you want it. If you want it lighter, you add more water. If you want it on the thicker side, don't add much water. Everybody has a way they like their pancakes, so I'm not really gonna say okay, do it the way I did it, but you know what you like, so just go ahead. Like me, I like mine not too thick. I like it a little lighter, though not all the way light. So this is why you see me adding more water, and I look at the texture again, and I add more water until I've gotten the consistency in which I am comfortable with. That's just what I'm doing here. So we mix. You can, if you don't have a hand mixer, please use your spatula, that's fine, or your whisk, that's also fine. I have this and it's handy, that's why I'm using it, okay? You really don't have any reason not to use what you have. Always use what you have. Don't go out of your way to make a meal. That is what I believe in. All right, so now it's done. I'm going to allow it to sit for like 3 to 5 minutes. So while it's sitting, I'm just going to go ahead and just make an omelette, because this meal is basically for my son. He loves keto pancake a lot, so I just want to make omelette for him by the side, because he's definitely going to ask me where the egg is. So I'm using my, you see the girdle, that's the new stove. I'm really enjoying the stove. I don't have to bring out my pan or pot for any of this. So I just salted it and added a little chili flakes. It's not spicy, just for more flavor. And that was it for the egg. Very simple and straightforward. Okay, it's almost done. Amazing. I always like my pancake with eggs also. I don't know. When we go to IHOP, there's a place called IHOP. It's International House of Pancake. Anytime you have pancake, there's always egg by the side. I think we learned it from there. That's how we started eating egg. And egg and pancake. Sometimes we use sausage. It depends, or franks, whatever we have, we just use it, to pair it. And then with a cup of juice or coffee or chocolate or tea, whatever it is you use. So now I'm trying to make a small size of pancake, you see that? So I allow it to cook on one side for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then I turn it over. Normally, if it was a regular flour, when you see the bubble, you turn. You will see bubble here, but not much, okay? And look at that. Doesn't that look nice? Doesn't it look like a pancake made with all-purpose flour? Of course. And I threw in some strawberry, to make it look like a balanced diet, right? So thank you guys for coming today. Please kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Thank you to my returning subscribers. God bless you all. I truly appreciate you. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe and bye.